If I had to start from zero in 2025 or even 2026, and I could only use AI to make money, here's exactly what I'd do. Now, I'm not talking about writing 500 blog posts or begging ChatGPT for side hustle ideas like everyone else does. I mean real, creative, and actually profitable ways to use AI. Stuff people are already making bank with. Some of these are pretty low key, but some of these are also pretty wild. Now, all of these are different hustles that you can start today with just a laptop, a little bit of time, and the right tools, which I'll be laying it all out on a table for you. So let's just get started with the 7 top AI side hustles that are working right now. And to get started with number 1, we have AI coloring book pages and activity books. Now, this one's pretty slept on, but trust me, it sells, especially on platforms like Etsy. You can use tools like Midjourney or DALL-E to generate line art, then design full coloring books, dot-to-dots, mazes, or even kids games using Canva or even Google Slides. Upload them to Amazon KDP or simply just Etsy, and boom, passive income potential. Now here's the key: niche down. Don't just make a generic coloring book. Make something like, I don't know, cute dinosaurs for toddlers, or something like mindful mazes for, I don't know, anxious millennials. Yeah, that's actually, that's a big thing. Now, AI makes the art part pretty easy. So all you really need to do is pick a niche, pick a vibe, and just be consistent with it. All right, number 2, we have AI generated podcasts. Yeah, you don't even need a mic anymore. With tools like 11 Labs or Podcastle, you can clone your voice or just straight up make a fake one and create full-on podcast episodes. Now, there's another tool that's insanely powerful that's actually my favorite, and that's Google Notebook LM. This is another amazing tool that you can use that actually creates entire podcasts all ready for you, just ready to upload. Notebook LM is pretty interesting because it doesn't use outside sources, so it doesn't use anything from the web. It only uses the information that you yourself actually feed it. So you give it a few articles, give it a few different papers, a few different sources, and that's exactly what it's going to use to create the podcast for you. Now, just check out this one clip that I created with it, and you tell me in the comments whether it sounds real or not. I think it sounds absolutely amazing, but you let me know.
Okay, let's dive in. Today we're doing a deep dive into something that sparks a lot of feeling for many people: 90s nostalgia. So our mission really is to unpack what exactly made the 90s feel so unique, getting into the vibe, the pop culture, the early tech, and that specific mix of experiences.
Right, and the source jumps right in, framing it not just as a decade, but a whole mood.
Now, you can do storytime content. You could do things like bedtime shows, self-help, literally anything that you can think of. Drop it on Spotify, YouTube, or wherever, and monetize it with affiliate links or ad revenue. Now, when you do get enough subs or listeners, then you can even start to score brand deals and sponsored posts. All right, number 3, AI generated apparel with print on demand. All right, let's be real. Starting a clothing line or a clothing brand, it used to be super expensive. Now, you can do the whole thing with just AI and a few tools. Here's the play. Use ChatGPT to come up with different types of slogans, your brand name, or even your mission statement. Then jump on Kittl, which is my personal favorite, or Leonardo AI to generate the actual graphics. Vintage, minimalist, anime, whatever your niche is. Then upload it straight to AutoDS and create instant mockups for your store. Now, one of the best marketplaces to sell these would be Etsy, Shopify, and even eBay. You don't need inventory or even a warehouse or even any knowledge of sewing or t-shirt printing. The AI does the creative work for you, and the print-on-demand company, in this case AutoDS, does the production and the shipping, and you just collect the profits. Now, you want to take it a step further, create full color collections around trends. So go with things like AI core, fashion from the future, or something like mentally mid, a millennial crisis line, or something for the gym bros, right? Gym rat bros. You get the idea. This is literally how people are building brands overnight. And if you want access to one of the best print-on-demand services around, then you can go ahead and check out AutoDS right now for the trial period for 2 weeks for just $1. With that, you gain access to tons of products you can customize and sell along with tons of other options to help you expand your business and to scale efficiently. All right, now before we continue, if you want a cheat sheet with all of the different points that I'm making in today's video and the different side hustles or just different AI hustles, then be sure to request the cheat sheet by dropping a comment down below with the hashtag AI hustle, along with your favorite hustle that I'm mentioning. Once I see that you went ahead and did that, I'll reply back with a link to the sheet. All right, let's continue. So number 4, we have AI dropshipping. You already know that dropshipping works, but it's even easier now with the help of AI. You can use AI to, for 1, find trending products. 2, generate your ad creatives. 3, build product descriptions and titles. 4, build your customer support replies or things like your frequently asked questions page, and even run the backend with tools like AutoDS. Besides the previous print-on-demand option that I gave you, you have access to full dropshipping automation with the AutoDS trial. So be sure to sign up and don't miss your 2-week promo. Look, AI doesn't replace you, it multiplies you. So instead of spending hours building your store, you can focus on testing and scaling what actually works. And that's where AutoDS AI pre-built Shopify stores come in. You can gain access to fully built and converting Shopify stores with AutoDS in your selected niche. So that way you can easily and quickly test multiple niches without wasting any time building multiple stores or even looking for products. All right, on to number 5. We have AI created apps. Now this one's crazy. You don't need to know how to code anymore. With tools like AppyPie, Glide, Softer, or even Replit plus ChatGPT, you can create mini apps or tools that solve specific problems in really any niche that you can think of. Think things like, budgeting calculators, custom journaling apps, or meme generators. And that would be amazing, especially in this day and age. Now, also AI resume editors, whatever your niche needs. These apps make it super easy to create desktop, web, and mobile apps in a very short amount of time without an entire team behind you. Some are more technical than others and have a bit of a steeper learning curve, but mastering this could very well set you up for a very, very lucrative future. Apps, they're not going anywhere. So why not start making a few simple ones that we can monetize with either in-app purchases or ads? All right, number 6, we have AI influencer personas. All right, this one's pretty wild, but it's also one of the easiest to actually get started in. So for this, you create a completely fake persona using an AI generated face. You clone their voice with 11 Labs or use tools like HeyGen to make them talk.
You can create an avatar just like me. No real humans were filmed in the making of this video.
Now, you build a niche character. It's like a fake fashion influencer, a fake fashion coach, or a fake video game expert. And you start posting shorts on TikTok. This is where these AI influencers are going to be best because you don't get full long form content, you get more shorter clips. You can grow the brand just like any other account and monetize with digital products, shoutouts, or even affiliate links. It's weird. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's kind of weird, but it really, really works. And the crazy part is that when it isn't well done, like let's say it does look AI made, people still watch. Even if they don't like it or they comment saying that it's AI or whatever, it adds to the overall engagement, bringing even more people into your post. Now, most of which won't really notice that it's AI or really even care at this point. People are pretty used to it. All right, number 7, this has to be my absolute favorite simply because I myself am a huge nerd. If you've been watching this channel for a while, then you should already know this. So coming in at number 7 is AI custom trading cards. I love this idea. Now this one is fun and it's easy to go viral. So you can use apps like Kiddle, Midjourney, or DALL-E to create the custom character art, pets, family members, or pop culture mashups. Just make sure they're not copyright, and then design them as trading cards with, let's say, something like a Canva template. Offer these on Etsy as digital downloads, or go next level and print them using a print-on-demand service. These would be perfect as either small cards or just huge frames that can be hung on any wall. AutoDS does offer these, by the way, shameless plug, so yeah, do with that what you will. Now, think pet Pokemon or pocket monsters so you don't get copyright, dad as a 90s action hero, or custom meme cards, things of that sort. Perfect for gifts, gag items, or just fun stuff that people like to share on TikTok. So yeah, there's no excuse now. You don't need a warehouse, you don't need investors, you don't even need to show your face if you don't want to. AI has been making starting a side hustle a lot faster, cheaper, and weirder than ever. If even one of these ideas got you hyped, pick it and run with it. Don't overthink it. just start, just do it, just get started. And if you want a deep dive tutorial into any of these, from building the app to launching the store to making your first $100, hit that subscribe button and let me know down in the comments below what you want to see. Huge thank you to everyone for watching, especially if you made it all the way to the end. My name is Mario with LAZIEST. I wish you all nothing but the best in your businesses. And with that, I'll catch you all next time.